Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag, and in this case, it's Polybag 30523, and this is the Joker Battle Training Polybag. If you enjoy this kind of video and you enjoy the Polybag build-alongs, please think about subscribing and turning on notifications, because I plan on doing one of these one a day for the foreseeable future. There's a cape? Why would there be a cape? Anyway, also in the description, I've included links to Amazon and Bricklink if you want to build along with me. And if you just want information about the set, I've included a link to Brickset. There is also a Google Sheets spreadsheet in the description that has a list of previous and upcoming Polybag build-alongs if you want to join me for some of those. Alright. So let's take a look at this. Alright, so that's probably what's in here. So, Joker has like weird, like, tails for his suit? That is kind of strange. Alright, let's take a look at it. Let's see. Yeah, that's what it is. It's like tails. That's weird. I've seen belts attached to the torso, but this is a new one on me. Alright, well, let's do it right. So, it goes over like this. And it goes over like that. And then they fold up and over. Like so. Doesn't seem like that's right. Okay, so we're doing it like this. Fold this down. Okay. I hate these little crappy cape things. I don't know if there's a better solution, though. That's the problem. Alright, so it goes over like that. And then they fold up and over. Okay, so I had the right... Oops. I had the right idea. Alright. So, I'm going to save some time. And I'm going to fold these first, like so. There we go. The question is, am I supposed to do it like this so they go down? Because it looks like he's going to have like weird wings or something. That's just strange. Alright. Now we got these attached. Then we add in the torso. It doesn't seem like it wants to lay down flat. I guess I can fold it. That's a little better. And then we got good old Joker. And Joker's apparently super happy and extra creepy happy. I don't know, we're just gonna go. There's not really a good option for him, is there? Alright, so he's just gonna be crazy. And then give him his, oops, we'll give him his hair. Like so. Maybe like so. Like so. Wow, he's got like a lot of hair going on, doesn't he? Alright, so that's Joker with his weird tails for his outfit. Alright, we'll set him aside up here. And so already a little bit pre-assembled. So we'll take care of this. This is a pretty easy thing. Just set this up. And a red one. And then I need, oops. And the white one. Alright. So that takes care of this. And Joker has something to stand on now. Alright. That actually helps with his tails too. It makes him a little less... It's still weird looking though. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of this part. Anyway. Alright, so... Weird cannon thing. So... This snaps in here. Like so. And then... This goes in here. And then the gun goes on this side, like so. I wonder how much it's supposed to attach. And then, oh, okay, I think I get it. Alright, check this out. So, these things clip on here, like this. And I don't know if y'all can see it or not. But you see there's a little wedge right there in the moving part. So when you move it around to this, it makes it... y'all couldn't see it, but it flew off camera, up over my shoulder, and off somewhere. So, wow. I can imagine getting your machine gun on with this thing and it making a terrible, terrible mess. Alright, well, at least they're not painful to step on. That's at least something. These particular ones are not. I'm only moderately horrified at the thought of this shooting. So let's try this knowing what to expect. And I'm going to just sort of shoot. I'm going to twist it and shoot it into my hands. So it very much does shoot. I don't know how I feel about that. I feel like I'd be chasing Legos forever. But let's load this thing back up anyway. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how, like, you know, 10, 12-year-old me would have felt about this. About that, the concept of shooting Legos. If I would have thought it was interesting or not. I kind of think no. I would have been I would have been happier with, like, the abundance of hinges you have. Alright, so Joker is armed with his completely reasonable cannon, and I guess the reason he's attached to this thing is so he won't fall over with the cannon, because he is not going to be able to stand up holding that. Right? Alright, so that takes care of this. That takes care of this part. So let's take care of the target. So this and this and like so, and then one and two. didn't do that right, did I? Not at all. Alright. So we got it like this. And now these go here. Like so. That's better. And then this goes right here. And then oops. Yeah. It goes on there. And like so. And a couple more of these things. I'm assuming it's to indicate that he's been shot at. That's my guess. That. And like so. And then so many of these little green things. Look at that. That goes on right here. So you have a little rotating target. So this rotates. This goes on top. Right here. And then like so. And like so. And the Batman hat goes on top. I guess so you can knock it off. Alright. So the Batman hat's going to go on top in a minute. But first, we clip on two of the little, those are like skeleton feet, right? We clip on like two skeleton feet. So a skeleton foot clips on to here, and a skeleton foot clips on to here, and then this clips on the end right here, and this clips on the end right here. So we got that, and then we attach the hat. Like that. And let me twist this around. So we attach the hat right here, so you can knock it off with the things. It just sort of sits on top, like so. And then you set a bat on top here, where you can knock it off. Well, theoretically, you set it on top right here. And then you stick a batarang in here, so you can knock it off. Okay. That's interesting, I guess. I mean, I don't know. I'm not super crazy about all the parts falling off of it. And wow, this is a lot of Legos getting scattered to the winds. Anyway, kind of interesting. So, this is part of the Target thing. This is part of Joker. And these are extra pieces. Plus one green one that I shot over my shoulder that's lost forever, apparently. So, kind of interesting. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this one. This might be... I wonder if this is making like an interesting thing for... I don't know. I don't think I like the whole shooting of the Legos. It just seems like you're scattering your problems to the winds with that. And you have the Batman target. Anyway, let me know what you think. What do y'all think about the whole shooting of Legos? Neat? Weird? Kind of bleh? Let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And hope y'all have an excellent day.